Ateti a mwoho wa Kenya Kwanza ni mokirire nyumba cia mohoro ni kuga ati cikoretwo ikimemerekia mohoro matari na uma na waragania makiria ihinda-ini riria bajeti ya bururi irathomagwo. Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini ya gibũrũri Kimani wa Icũng'wa na uria urari umwe wa aria marageneire igongona ria gucokia ngatho ria mubunge wa Iara Maina Karobia kanitha-ini wa ACK Thika Cathedral kaunti-ini ya Kiambu augete nyumba cia mohoro cire ugwati-ini wa gute wihokeku kuri Akenya angikorwo citikumemerekia mohoro mena njira ya uma.
My simple advice to our media houses: today you may imagine you are fighting with the government of the Republic of Kenya, but you are fighting with change. In another 5 years, mainstream media will be made very irrelevant if you do not stick to being objective and informing Kenyans the truth. Because by the time you are reporting news at 9 p.m, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, WeChat, na hizo zingine zote watu wamejulishwa na wamejulishana wenyewe.
Miario ino ni iranyitirwo mbaru ni ateti angi ta Dennis Itumbe, Isaac Mwaura hamwe na seneta wa Kiambu Karũngo wa Thang'wa.
Media ambao wako hapa, tafadhalini, tunawapenda sana na nyinyi ndio ambao mmetujenga. Hakuna mtu ametujenga kama media. Shida ya media ni kwa sababu mulikuwa na candidate wenu Raila Amolo Odinga, na yeye aliposhindwa hamjakubali. So what the media is doing, they have two agendas. First is to make sure that the government does not take off. Second ni kuhakikisha kuonyeshana kwamba the government has failed ili waweze kuincite wa Kenya.
Niongereire na akauga ati gicunji kia 70% kia atongoria kuma mwena wa mung'ethaniro ni makorirwo magiikiria kura bajeti ino ya bururi ya mwaka wa 2023 na 2024. Mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro na uria nowe muikariri giti wa kamiti ya guthondeka bajeti guku bururi-ini augite bajeti ino iri na kiguni kuri muingi kuona ni gukorwo igithondeka mieke ya mawira.
As a young person, I come from the population of 5 million that the president keeps talking about. I want us, through this finance bill, we create more jobs. Out of one housing unit, we are creating 15 jobs for our young people. And it is good that our members of parliament and senators saw it fit through our leaders, the majority leader, the finance committee chairman, and the budget committee chairman, to pass this finance bill. It is going to create opportunities for very many young people who are languishing in poverty and the streets.
Ngiribotera Njata TV kuma Thika, guku ni kaunti ya Kiambu. Njitagwo Kate.